Merlin Annual Pass Day for Legoland 2019. It's very windy. Well, you like insanely windy today. It's raining on and off. The weather's gonna impact the day quite a lot, I think. Yeah, it's Iron Man. Still not repainted him or whatever though. Still looks a bit faded. But yeah, we're gonna make the most of the day, and yeah, hopefully get on some rides. Hopefully some stuff's open. We'll try and do as much as the indoor stuff as we can. But yeah, it is crazy windy. But yeah, I'm positive we'll have a good day. So yeah, we'll go on the train later. So yeah, last night was rough, really rough. We stayed in the travel lodge, all of us, in one room, and Jessica decided she wanted to keep everybody awake. And yeah, it was interesting. So today we are running on lots of tea. And
suffered getting up so much from it.
I did. I suffered immensely.
Not
having to hear the screaming from the bed while Lisa got up with Jessica. But yeah, it was rough. So yeah, lots of caffeine and tea and various other sweetie substances to keep us going. But it should be good. Do you think there's going to be any celebrities here today?
Don't know.
No? Maybe.
Sean.
Maybe. That's it. We've seen old Shawnee Boy and Alex from Theme Park Worldwide. They've been repping it already this morning.
Tried to get Robert to have the picture, but he said no.
It's just not the done thing, is it? You don't just encroach on someone else's vlogs. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a train.
Oh, are we going to go on that train later, Helen? Yeah, we will today.
Hopefully the windsock on the well, the dead cat on the camera on the microphone will stop. Where are you going, buddy? Go on then, let's go down here. We go down the steps, see the little plane. See the plane. It is a Lego plane. Big plane. Probably can't see me at all in here. We're going to do laser raiders. Theming in this queue line is amazing for this ride. I think they've done an amazing job of that. Yeah, it doesn't look like much of a queue, so bonus. Ninjago was heaving. So yeah, do this one, smash it out, get the first ride in, get it set up for the day. It's a good one. So you've got the kids zone just here, which when there's a long queue is an absolute godsend. Because your kids can basically sit in that bit there, you can drop them off at that gate just behind me, and then collect them up near the front. So it's an absolute godsend. Brilliant idea. So how was your ride, Callum? Was it good? How many points did you get?
I don't know.
You got 9,000.
9,000.
Didn't ya? Actual pro. He's actual pro at that. We've just done Laser Raiders. It's a good one. One of Callum's favourite ones. He loves them sort of rides. So we just need to go find Lisa and then yeah, look at doing something else. But yeah, operations are good today. So the wind has seriously affected rides opening today. Yeah, as I record this bit, there is officially 10 rides closed at the moment. And yeah, the queues are obviously very long for the ones that are open. So yeah, Callum and Lisa just gone on the Blazer. So just trying to get what creds in we can. Hopefully things improve. So Callum's just enjoyed his ride on the swings, and yeah, just to come down to this end of the park, but still not a lot open. So we're just gonna keep walking around and see if there's any other little surprises of things being open. Whether they'll open this a bit later on, don't know. It looks like they're doing checks and stuff, so who knows. So we're just outside the hotels, and yeah, Atlantis is closed. And you can't get round up there, so we're gonna have to walk back again. And yeah, see if anything else is open.
Callum, do this. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Callum, it's opening. Do you want to go?
What is it?
A monster cutting the stuff.
Wow.
It can cut trees down. Wow. Wait, you left on my leg.
We've just done Ninjago, and if you've not done that before, I recommend it. That's brilliant fun, that is. I am knackered after that though. I was proper going for it. I don't think my thing was quite working properly, but yeah, it was good. Callum won, he loved it. Jessica even enjoyed it towards the end. She was a bit sort of weary about it at the start, but yeah, by the end of it she was doing it as well, so it's a good one for the family. So yeah, the wind has not died down at all. It's stopped raining now though. It was spitting about a little bit, so we're gonna see what else there is to do. Yeah. What is that?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man!
I had my face painted.
You did?
Right, food.
Wow. So for £9.25 you too can look like Spider-Man. Spider-Man. So we just had pizza and pasta by the main show area. It's always a winner, that is. Stuff that everyone loves. It's a little bit pricey. There are cheaper options available in the park, but you know, it's always nice to go there every now and then. Pleases the whole family. I think we are going to call it a day now. We're going to get the train back up the hill because no one likes walking up the hill. And yeah, make our way back home. Because we're only about too late. It takes us a little while to get back. And we've sort of done everything that we can do today with so much being closed. But it's been a good event. I've enjoyed it. It's been a good 2 days. Well and truly exhausted now. Kids have had fun, we've had fun. Last night in the hotel was an experience, wasn't it, Jessica?
Yeah.
Yes, it was. So yeah, we're going to go home, have a bath, get the kids to bed, probably fall asleep straight after I've put them to bed. So if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And the next one will be Alton Towers, which I'm really looking forward to. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.